All humans are raised with contact. As technology grows, we feel somewhat far from who we are next to.
The U.S. passed another grim, tragic milestone more than
Considering your current situations as humans, I'm watching the global pandemic that you are living right now. I'm watching people struggling with social distancing and how everyone is trying to find new ways of being connected. Zoom. Verb, especially of a car or aircraft, move or travel very quickly. Of a camera, change smoothly from a long shot to a close-up or vice versa. So, yeah. By definition, my purpose in this world is to bring stuff closer, it doesn't matter what or who. Did you realize already what I am trying to say? Sure, it is really a challenge. It's not easy. And I have to be real with you. I'm not going to be perfect all the time. Dear human, I admit that sometimes I won't be enough. I won't bring the touch of your loved ones back. I can't bring back the kisses, the hugs, the high fives, the sex, the genuine eye-to-eye, the pizza night with friends, the concerts or the cinema. Other times, your internet connection simply will not be enough for me to work. But my name is Zoom, and by definition, I'll try my best to shorten any kind of distance. And together, we'll find new ways of becoming connectors. So, before I go, I just want to ask you, who would you want to shorten any distance with, if you could, right now? Zoom. Shortening any distance.